Alright guys, LP with S&W Service and Repair, and today I just wanted to come to you guys and say thank you for all you've done for us, all of the subscribers and all of the comments that you have posted on our videos. I want to say thank you. Continue to like, share, and subscribe. Continue to drop comments down below, and we'll do our best to continue to answer those questions. Today is the day before New Year's Eve, so it is the Saturday. I'm just trying out new equipment, changing the garage around, seeing how this looks. We got the new, what is this? The Hollyland Lark Max. Got that right here, got it in today. I know the autofocus on Canon is the bomb, and it does not want to let me be great with this. Let's see if we can get it in there. Yeah, got it in there. Really cool system. I'm excited about it. I'm running a couple tests right now to see how it fares with the windscreen on and then without the windscreen. Also with the noise cancellation. It's closing up the case. Wonderful, wonderful case right here. Beautiful packaging. Super excited about it. So I have the receiver on the top of my camera. I also have the microphone on my shirt with the magnet, which I really, really like that. So I'm gonna take this right here and run it up to the computer, see how they sound, see how everything looks, and I'll be anxious to see how this turns out, to see if this is the format we're gonna go with the new videos from the garage and our small dedicated space right here. We'll see how the lighting looks, how the sound looks, and then we'll come back and give you guys an update on what we'll be doing later on.